What a fascinating start it's going to be to look at 류성현. Absolutely a specialist in the floor exercise.
Let's give a big Melbourne welcome to our first competitor on the floor, representing Korea, 류성현.
Of the Republic of Korea, the 17-year-old in Seoul, the junior world champion on this piece. A 14.5 in qualification, the second strongest, but he has a 6.5 difficulty. This could be massive. A little adjustment, but that's some promising work here. Oh, yes, indeed.
And we have our first
landing, the conclusive routine in this competition will result. But what a gymnast we have ourselves here. 류성현 of the Republic of Korea, the vault champion in Melbourne, with a score of 14.933. Masterful work from the teenager from Seoul. The junior has very much come of age. The boy from Seoul becomes a Seoul man here in Melbourne. And as a result, we will now hear the national anthem of the Republic of Korea. And there they are, the medalists in the men's floor competition at the Melbourne World Cup of 2020. And 류성현 has just put himself into the conversation. We'll have the next victory